I'm in New York and my hotel window opens just enough. Hopefully I'll get it back. So long, little buddy. Put a water bottle in the window so I can see which one's mine. Oh, I have bad telemetry, bad video. I think I can get much further than that. Oh yeah. I think I need to do some things. Oh shoot, no battery already. Guess this is the dangerous part, right? Hey, look at that. Hotel room. Kind of pointless, but oh well. At least I did it. Yeah, anyway. Oh, he almost had it. My heart's not racing as much as I thought it would. Oh. Ooh. It actually is, it looks amazing up here. It's pretty cool. I'm at the very, very top.
Can you like swoop down and go between lanes like Spiderman?
I'll try. So I'm right in the very corner and the top section, like halfway up maybe. Did you see me land on the bus?
Fun?
That was fun.
Okay.
Alright. We did it. This is way too much to explore. I don't know what to do. rooftops on the skyline.